This upgraded laser flashlight is handy, small and lightweight pero ang lakas ng ilaw. It charges via Type-C, kahit power bank lang, okay na. Useful lalo na kapag may power outage, kung may camping, kung may dapat i-check sa backyard na madilim. I tried all the modes, may strong light, low light, and strobe. One button lang, madali siyang gamitin. The zoom feature is useful lalo na if you need to focus the light sa malayo. It's practical, reasonable, good for checking the car at night, emergency use sa bahay, or kahit pang ilaw sa bag kapag may hinahanap ka. Simple, compact, pero reliable. Para sa mga laging busy or mahilig sa outdoor activities, this will work. So, have one for yourself.